Hey, so just like the last two Octobers, I'm taking you around the car and showing you what we've done for the year. We're under the front end here and it's all buttoned up and aligned. We had a tie rod issue last season, but we got it taken care of. So this is all done under here and this thing drives straight as an arrow. We have a brand new starter that Stevie put in. We also have a rebuilt transmission. Had that done at Accurate. They did a really nice job. No slippage anymore. Feels really nice. You probably can't see past my saggy muffler very well, but the third member was all rebuilt. Andy took care of that, so no more lash. Now, under the hood, we cleaned up the firewall a little bit. And there's brand new, not only headlight to firewall wiring harness, but there's also a brand new gauge feed harness in here. So all the wiring under the hood is done. Under the air cleaner, we have a brand new Edelbrock AVS2 Carburetor. This is a 650 CFM. A lot of people said it was too much, and just bolting it on, it did run a little rich. We got a kit for it and tried to change the rods to make it 4% leaner, and we had a flat spot on acceleration. So we put the original rod back in, original spring back in. We just tuned up these little screws here, these idle adjustment screws, and the thing just runs like a top, and it feels like fuel injection when you take off. It's a real nice setup. Talked about this console plate last night. No more pits. The other one had pits in it, and there was a really nasty vibration here. But we went ahead, or I went ahead the other day and put this new plate in here and put some electrical tape around the edges where the metal makes contact. No more vibration. Actually, works pretty good. Sounds good. Looks good. I'm happy with it. And of course, I think we did this. I don't know if we did that last year or this year, but this little console is really nice arm support for me. And I vacuumed it out today. But yeah, it's pretty much what we did this year. And it's just in time for crap weather, but that's okay. We'll get some time to drive it. There's going to be some Indian summer coming up here in the next month or so. But yeah, that's what we did this year on the car. So there'll be more videos. I'll have it out again next weekend. But just wanted to give you kind of a rundown of everything that we did. Questions, answers, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.